Hi guys, a very good morning. So this is Dynamos and Boso during the Independence Cup. They were in Mashonaland West Province, Kunana Darwin. Yet they were playing in this ground. This is the kind of ground they were playing. The major of concern here is that these are professional players who play in the Premier Soccer League, and this is the ground which they are using. So, according to FIFA standards, PSL standards, these professional players should play in an inspected pitch. They should play in a pitch which is approved by either PSL or ZIFA itself. But this time around, they are playing in this pitch. Tambira students pitch Tambira vafana vadiki. And it is what it is. And Panapa Zimbabwe needs to be rescued. Professional players are made to play football in an unsanctioned and uninspected ground. If one gets an injury, that's the end of career. Zifa needs to be serious. Is the reason our football is in shambles. Nobody will ever take us seriously. So the first point is that muzimbabwe hatichatarisi zvekuti bhora razoita sei, because we are already banned. So akuru vacho havana hanya, they neglected this issue for a very long time. They neglected the issue yekuti zvinhu zvigadziriswe for a very long time. And right now, I don't believe that they will do anything which is positive to resuscitate bhora redu. So let me take a few comments here. Hanzi vaimi same ground rinotambira vana vadiki tikwanirei. So the issue is ignorance. A lot of people do not know kuti professional players should play in good grounds. They don't understand that. That is the reason why they are coming with these issues, with these arguments. Because you don't understand how professional football works. You don't understand that FIFA is very strict on these things. Grounds are inspected and are approved before the season begins. Professional footballers don't play games everywhere. Okay. Hanzi panapa Chamisa chisina kwana. It's Independence Day. Today it's in Mount Darwin, not the capital city. Let the people enjoy their game in peace. Okay. Hanzi, do you even understand why Zimbabwe is not playing international football? This is not about politics. It's how the government is conducting itself and how it impacts everyone. None of these people have insurance in case of injury. There is the end of their careers. So I agree with citizens still. So the issue here, the main argument is about ZANU PF forcing everybody. Because if you look on these clubs, they have influence over them because Tinama sponsor munyika yeZimbabwe. So they have influence over everything, and havana choice. They just come, they just play football. Saka ukatarisa vajaira kutambira muma-substandard football grounds. So when they even go kuma trials elsewhere, they cannot complement the kind of grounds dzavanenge vachisangana nadzo, which also means failure. Ukatarisa bhora racho rinenge richitambwa netimu iririka ibhora remabhuza, zvekuti you wonder kuti zvinenge zvichimbofamba sei. So Team Zimbabwe, this is it. Our mission is to make sure that we rescue Zimbabwe this 2023. Our mission is to make sure that we bring change to the nation of Zimbabwe. These people knew that independence was going to be held in this town, which means they were supposed to deal with this ground, invest much in this ground, and make sure that it meets the standards. Because everything is already there. What you just need is to make sure that you put fertilizers, you irrigate, you just maintain kusvika musi wacho wasvika, then everything will be okay. Paingoda just maintenance kuti ground iri rimite the minimum standards dzinodiwa, but they failed to do so. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts.